Hey guys, Carlos Colon here, owner of Georgia Perimeter Homes, and I wanted to take a second to thank all of you for such an amazing year. 2022 has brought us some amazing clients, one of our biggest years ever, and we have done, well over $20 million in sales this year again. And not only that, but we've donated more money than we ever had to Cares for Kids. We were well within the top 10% of top Cares for Kids donors this past year. And moving into 2023, we really excited about being able to donate even more money. It's one of our big causes that helps us and one of our big whys. And if you don't know about Cares for Kids, it donates to local communities here in Georgia. So it's not like a general nationwide thing. It goes direct to your community, and you can make your donation if you go to the link below or in the description below. We'll have a link for Cares for Kids where you can learn more about it and make a donation, because it really is direct to community as much as possible. And it provides books and resources for these families that really need it. So in 2023, it's a little bit of a snapshot at what we've got coming, which we're really excited about, is we have also added a flipping division to our company. So we're in the process of now preparing our first couple of properties that we are flipping to come to the market, and we are very excited about this. And so if you want to know more about that, you can reach out to us. But here towards the end of 2022, leading into 2023, we should see the first couple hitting the market. So look out for that. And we're excited to bring you some of those projects, because we have renovated these homes top to bottom. And so the transformation's unreal. So thank you guys so much for your love and support. And we look forward to helping you and your friends and family going into the future. Bye.